In this tutorial, we will be discussing type hints in Python functions. Type hints are a way to specify the expected type of an argument or the return type of a function. This makes it easier for developers to understand how to use the function correctly and can also make the code more readable. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, we are defining a function called add_numbers. We are using type hints to specify that the arguments a and b should be integers and that the function should return an integer. Type hints are not enforced by the Python interpreter, so if you pass in the wrong type of argument, the code will still run, but you may get unexpected results. Let's try running our function with some input. In this case, we passed in two integers as arguments to the add_numbers function, and it correctly returned the sum of those two numbers. Let's take a closer look at what happens if we pass in the wrong type of argument. In this case, we passed in an integer and a string as arguments to the add_numbers function. Since we specified that the arguments should be integers, we get a type error when we try to add them together. Type hints can be especially useful in larger projects where it may not be immediately clear what the expected types are for each function. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in explaining type hints in Python functions. Keep practicing and happy coding.